Hello friends, let's solve another Leetcode problem. It's again a two-sum problem, uh, but here we do not have a input sorted input array, and also the numbers are repeated. Numbers could be repeated. As you can see, we have a given norms, which is a list of integer and a target. So there are two numbers in the array whose sum will be equal to the target. We have to print the corresponding zero based indexes. So here target is 9, we have to print 0 and 1. Similarly, here 3 to 4, and our target is 6. So 2 plus 4 6, so 1 and 2. And in another case we have 3 and 3. So you have to print target our indexes are 0 and 1. Also note here that you can return the answer in any order. So 0 1 or 1 0 is also same. And we have exactly one solution, and we cannot use the same element twice. So for example, in this case we cannot return 0 and 0. So since we can have duplicate elements as well as the array is not sorted, let's try to solve this method in a different way. Uh, so let's start. Let's take a loop. I in Let's take this as an index. So what we'll do is we'll take the range len norms. Uh, let's calculate our other input data. Say x equals to target minus norms of I. Then we'll check if x in norms. So we are checking whether the other element corresponding to norms I it exists in norms whose sum would be equals to target. So if x in norms, then we'll find the other elements index. Data index equals to norms dot index of x. We have one index in I and another index in x. Now uh, we can return I and x, but since we can't use the same element twice, let's put another check here. So we'll do if I equals to data index, then pass means do nothing else. Fix the indentation. Else return I and data index. So let's test. I is index, norms I is first number, target minus norms I. So x is our other number, x in norms means x exists in norms. So we can find the index of x, and we are comparing current index versus the other index, and then returning both of them in a array. Let's run the test cases. We have some indent error. Sorry. Yeah, here we have. So our test case 1 is accepted. We have 2, 7, 11 and 15 and target as 9. Expected output 0, 1, which is 2 and 7 equals to 9. And in case 2 we have 3, 2, 4. So we have 1 and 2. means 2 and 4, sum would be 6, and in case 3 we have 3 3. Output is 1 0, expected output is 0 1, but since we can return the answer in any order, so 0 1 or 1 0 would also work fine. Thank you for watching.